Is the volume of this munchkin the same as this donut hole?
Let's ask the donut geometry specialist, Shane.
Her Shane.
Go.
Her Shane. Is the volume of the munchkin? Her Shane. Hey Shane, is the volume of a munchkin the same as a donut hole?
Hi, Shane here, and today I'm going to see if this munchkin has the same volume as this donut. Okay, so I'm going to cut this donut in half, and I'm going to measure the area of this segment right here. Okay, donut is cut in half. But before I measure it, I'm going to cut this munchkin in half also. Okay, time to measure. So let's see. I'm going to measure these. 1 second. Okay, so this munchkin, its length is 2 inches and its height is 1 inch. And its width is 1 inch also. Okay, so this donut has a diameter of 1 inch. Now, as you can see here, it has a height of 1 inch also. Time to do the math. Okay, so I'm going to treat the munchkin as if it was a rectangle, because as you can see here, it has more of a rectangular shape rather than a spherical shape. Here is a better example. So the length was 2 inches by the height, which was 1 inch, times the width, which was also 1 inch, which would equal a volume of 2 inches. Boop. Now, for the cylinder, aka the donut hole, so the radius was 0.5 inches since the diameter was 1 inch. Square that, since that's the formula, and you get 0.25 inches. And then you multiply that by the height, which was 1, and you get 0.25 inches, and then you multiply it by pi. So wait 1 second while I find out what that is. Okay, so 0.25 pi is approximately 0.78 inches. So that does not seem the same. So let's get another munchkin. Okay, so to make sure that those calculations were correct, I'm using another munchkin to test it out. So, as you can see, I've cut the munchkin in half, and I have already taken the measurements. So this munchkin had a length of 1.5 inches, and everything else was the same. So this munchkin had a volume of 1.5 inches. That's still not the same. So, my conclusion is that this munchkin is different than the whole of this donut.